So again, we're gonna continue the series with the topics of atomic habits, and though I know it's the for recording video for other things or the topics that are assigned different, or for recording videos that are not for just explaining about the topics of atomic habits, but still we are explaining for the atomics or the topics of atomic habits. So let's continue from where we left. So I think we should read the paragraph before one paragraph before where we left. So yeah, let's continue. All habits form a similar trajectory from effortful practice to automatic behavior. The process known as automaticity. Automaticity is the ability to perform a behavior without thinking about each step, which occurs when the non-conscious mind takes over. It looks something like this. The habit line. Automaticity, repetitions, habit line. As the repetition increase, automaticity increases exponentially, and after some repetitions, it becomes nearly increasing at very high rate, at a very high rate. So in figure 11, in the beginning, point A, a habit requires a good deal of effort and concentration to perform. After a few repetitions, point B, it gets easier but still requires some conscious attention. With enough practice, point C, the habit becomes more automatic than conscious. Beyond this threshold, the habit line that this behavior can be done more or less without thinking. A new habit has been formed. On the following page, you will see what it looks like when researchers track the level of automaticity for an actual habit, like walking for 10 minutes every day. The shape of these charts, which scientists call learning curves, reveals an important truth about behavior change. Habits form based on frequency, not time. Walking 10 minutes per day. So there was a diagram shown here, and then there is one more diagram. This that is the study of people walking for 10 minutes, basically to study the importance of repetition, doing repetitions, and the relevance of automaticity. This graph shows someone who built the habit of walking for 10 minutes after breakfast each day. Notice that as the repetitions increase, so does automaticity until the behavior is easy and automatic as it can be. So it is automaticity versus day. The 10th day it is 1, 20th day it is somewhere more, 30th day more, 40th day more than 10, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then highest till the end. One of the most common questions I hear is how long does it take to build a new habit? But what people really should be asking is how many does it take to form a new habit? That is how many repetitions are required to make a habit automatic. There is nothing magical about time passing with regard to habit formation. It doesn't matter if it's been 21 days or 30 days or 300 days. What matters is the rate at which you perform the behavior. Doesn't matter if it's been 21 days or 30 days or 300 years. What matters the rate at which you perform the behavior. You could do something twice or thrice in 30 days or 200 times. The frequency that makes the difference. Your current habit that makes difference. The current habits have been internalized over the course of hundreds, if not thousands of repetitions. New habits require the same level of frequency. You need to string together enough successful attempts until the behavior is firmly embedded in their mind and you can cross the habit. In fact, it doesn't really matter how long it takes for a habit to become automatic. What matters is what you take the actions you need to make. What matters that you take the actions you need take to make progress. To build a habit, you need to practice it, and the most effective way to make practice happen is to adhere to the third law of behavior change. Make it easy. The chapter that follow will show you on how to do that exactly. So yeah, that's it guys, and we record almost the video for 7 minutes and we will continue from tomorrow. Again, let's see on which topic we record the video. So yeah, that's it guys, thank you very much.